What if we are killing our inventors? The governments are not only taking land from their citizens, but also taking and suppressing technology. All governments will eliminate an enemy if they feel they risk national or global security. But what if they think tax revenue and dependencies is of national security? We are by no means anarchists, and we do believe in government. However, that government should be controlled by the people, and that government should do everything in its power to free the people from these dependencies. Unfortunately, we have people in power that fear an independent people. They fear their loss of power. What if someone in that society creates or invents something that could take away that power? What do they do? Here are only a few cases of inventors and their mysterious deaths. While watching this, ask yourself, is this possible? Now, there are many examples of suppressed technology, and we will continue to show more, but let's start with these four. Maurice Ward was a hairdresser from Yorkshire, England, who created Starlight, a thermal shielding material. He died in 2011 without ever revealing the recipe. There is no known reason for his death. Here's the video.
This torch here is producing a temperature of 1200 degrees Celsius. Now try cooking an ordinary egg like that, and in a very few seconds the results would be quite an explosion. But I'm going to leave this torch here blowing on this egg for a couple of minutes before we crack it open. And it ought to survive the inferno because it's coated with a remarkable new plastic. But here we have...
Its heat-resistant properties apparently outstripped any known material.
So how is it doing? Well, it hasn't broken up at all, and you can see on the front here it's glowing red hot. But just watch this. If I turn the flame off, and remember that it was producing 1200 degrees Celsius, and I take that charred bit and I put it flat in the palm of my hand, it only just feels warm. And if I then crack it open, what's more, the egg hasn't even begun to start cooking.
Imagine the uses for this technology. Everything from spaceflight to housing insulation to save energy. Denny Klein created a process to turn H2O into HHO, which he used for a torch that when touching metals would heat up at temperatures hotter than the sun, but was warm to the human touch.
Turn the machine on.
Denny Klein fires up his hot new invention. His machine emits a flame that feels only slightly warm to the touch. But watch what happens when he touches anything else.
Instantaneously, I can burn a hole right down through the center of that brick.
The flame instantly turns hotter than the surface of the sun. Heat so intense it takes only seconds to literally burn a hole through charcoal. 3 seconds turns a brass ball to glowing liquid metal. Tungsten lights up like a sparkler. Steel, lead, and other metals slices on contact. Yet the tip of the welder stays cool to the touch.
No other gas will do this.
He passed away suddenly on September 12, 2013. Peter Davy was a 92-year-old inventor that found a frequency that boils water within seconds. Imagine the uses for this. Could frequencies create perpetual energy? If it only takes a very small amount of electricity to boil water, couldn't we use the steam to give out that same frequency? String theory proposes that given the right frequency, we could change the makeup of a solid object to where we could actually walk through that object. Is it too far-fetched that a frequency could create that perpetual energy? Or at least a very cheap electricity? He died the same year he went public with this invention. Stanley Myers created a water fuel cell that he claims was able to run a vehicle on only water. He estimated that it would only take 22 gallons of water to travel from Los Angeles to New York. How did he die? On March 20th, 1998, his brother claims that during a meeting with 2 Belgian investors at a restaurant, Myers suddenly ran outside saying, "They poisoned me." After an investigation, they claimed he died of cerebral aneurysm. Have any other inventors that died mysteriously? Leave a comment and let us know. As always, thanks for watching and give us a thumbs up, share, and subscribe.